Hello and welcome to Mathematics. It's Mr. McMahon. Why am I wearing all these awesome clothes? Well, you know what? We're almost to the end of chapter 12, so we are climbing up the math mountain, and I'm wearing my hiking gear. I'm wearing this awesome shirt and my awesome bandana. Today, we're going to do subtraction with regrouping. It's math time. It's math time. It's math time. Oh, yeah. So we're going to be looking at our anchor task. Today, our anchor task is a word problem. There were 23 pencils in a holder. 5 pencils were taken away. How many pencils were left in the holder? Let's use the cube method to first figure out if we're adding or subtracting. C, you circle the numbers. 23 and 5. You underline the question. How many pencils were left in the holder? So I've underlined it. B, box the keywords. Taken away. Those are some keywords. I'm going to box them up. Let's see, anything else? Let's look at the question. How many pencils were left? That's definitely a keyword. That's telling me something. E, evaluate. Are we adding or subtracting? Taking away, left, and also it's subtracting with regrouping. So we are subtracting. We're now going to do S, solve. So for this anchor task, I want my friends to see if you could find 2 different methods to solve this problem. I'm going to show you the 2 different ones. If you can do them, awesome. If not, you can do one. That's okay. That's why I'm here to help you out. So my friends, you can pause it and solve this anchor task. It is breaking apart the numbers and subtracting and then adding to subtract. Oh yes, we're still doing that. Breaking apart 23. This is easy. I see a 2 in the 10 spot, so 20 and 3. That's super easy. Let me do that. 23. Look at that. I'm an expert. Now I'm going to subtract the ones. 3 minus 5. That's pretty easy. I can do that in my sleep. 3 minus 5 is 3 minus 5. Okay, I have no 3. I don't think that's gonna work. Breaking it apart this way is not gonna work. I'm gonna have to break it apart another way. Wait a minute. 23, there's 2 10s. What if I just break apart 23 so that there's 1 10? So I put 10 right there. If I take 10 away from 23, 10 less than 23, if I take 1 10 away, so that's just a 1, the 1 stay the same, that's a 3. 1 and 3, 13. Oh. 13 and 10 makes up 23. Yeah, now we're cooking. We're getting this. We're good. Now I'm going to subtract 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. That's really easy. So much easier than 3 minus 5. That can't happen. 10 minus 5 can. Tab 10, take away 5. That's going to give us 5. So now I have 5. Hey, don't forget about me, said the 13. So 5 plus 13. This is where we're adding to subtract. 13 plus 5 is... No, we're not going to mumble our answers. If we don't know it, and we have a big number that we can't really add in our head, we can put the big number in our head. 13. Now we're going to count on 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 13 plus 5 is 18. 23 minus 5 is 18. How many pencils were left in the holder? Well, there's 18. That was method number 1. Now time for method number 2. We're going to use these place value blocks. As I did right here, 13 and 10 makes up 23. I chose a 10 because 1 10 equals 10 ones. You know what? Let's break apart a 10 to make 10 ones. Let's do it right here. I am going to put an X to break it apart. Now I will draw 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, what did I do here? 10 minus 5. I got my 10 right here. I'm going to cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do we have left? We have 1 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Method number 2 gave us the same answer. 18. There's two methods. You can break apart the numbers so that you're subtracting ones and then adding to subtract, or you can use place value blocks. Well, friends, we got some more problems. Let me clean off this board. Welcome back. I have 4 problems. Mr. McMahon is going to work on 34 plus 8, so you can watch me. Then we are going to do 21 minus 9 and 23 minus 6. Then you at home are going to do 92 minus 9. Let's get ready to do this. Red marker, 34 minus 8. How I'm going to solve this? I'm going to break it apart. Now, this is where Mr. McMahon is going to use what he did previously. I'm going to have 34 breaking it apart, not 30 and 4, because I can't subtract 4 minus 8. It just doesn't work. Can't happen. Just doesn't work. But what I did on the previous one is I had 10 and then whatever was 10 less than that number. So let's do that here. 34 is 10. 10 less than 34. If I take 110 away from 34, that number, let's see, if I'm at 3 and I take away a 10, that means it has 2 10s. And the ones stay the same, because the ones don't change. The ones are a 4. So 24 and 10 makes 34. I made a circle, oval, to subtract 10 minus 8. This is where, if you know how to subtract any number from 10, you are going to be good. 10 minus 8 is 2. I don't even have to think about that in my head. 24 and 2. Because, hey, don't forget about me, said 24. So now we're going to add to subtract. 24 plus 2. That's so tough. I don't want to do. I don't know how to do 24 plus 2. It's so tough. Oh, that's the answer. No, you can't whine if you don't know it. You can put the big number in your head, 24. Now we're going to add by counting on. 25, 26. So 34 minus 8 is 20. 6. Hey, now it's our turn. We're going to work together. Let's work. We're going to do this, okay? 21 minus 9. I want my friends to break apart 21, kind of like how Mr. McMahon did. Let's pause. Welcome back. Did you break apart 21 first with a 10? If you did, excellent. What do we also put for the other part? 10 less than 21? Ooh, it's a good thing I put my hair back. I can actually hear really well. 11. Good job. Because if we're taking away a 10 from 21, there's 2 10s. Now 1 10 is 10, plus that 1 is 11. Now we're going to subtract 10 minus 9. I want my friends to do that at home. 10 minus 9. Pause. We're back. 10 minus 9 shouldn't have taken that hard. It's 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. What's the next step, friends? Don't forget about me, is what you're probably saying at home. We're not forgetting about the 11. We're adding to subtract. 11 plus 1. 11 plus 1 is going to be, what is 1 more than 11? Hey, it's 12. Oh, I heard someone say it's 12. That's right. 21 minus 9 is 12. Good job, friends. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. one more that we're going to do together. 23 minus 6. Friends, break apart 23. Pause. All right, let's see. Remember, when we break apart 23, can't be 20 and 3. Can't take 3 away from 6. Can't happen. Can't be done. Not going to happen. So we put a 10. What is 10 less than 23? I hope my friends put 13. I want my friends to do the next step. Pause. Welcome back. The next step, did you do 10 minus 6? If you did 10 minus 6, good job. 10 minus 6. Did you put the answer is 4? Good. So 10 minus 6 equals 4. What's the next step? I want my friends to do the next step. Pause. The next step, did you say, hey, don't forget about me? 13 plus 4. When you did 13 plus 4, what was your answer? Did you say 18? That's what Mr. McMahon's thinking. I don't know. Let me double check. 13. Now I'm adding 4 more to 13. 14, 15, 16, 17. I got it wrong. I didn't double check my answer. That's why it's always important to double check. I'm going to do that again. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Whew. It's a good thing I got friends at home that are paying attention, keeping me on my toes, because sometimes I make mistakes. And I'm wanting to see if friends can call me out on it. So 23 minus 6 is 17. The last one, 92 minus 9. Mr. McMahon was looking at the teacher book to see how they did 92 minus 9. They kind of did something Mr. McMahon was looking at as a little challenging. I want my friends, this is what you're going to do. 92 minus 9. My friends can pause. Welcome back. 92 minus 9. That was your opportunity to do some problems. How did you do? Did you break apart 92 as 10 and... Oh, I don't have the technology to put the numbers in my hand. I'll have to show you my board. It is 82 and 10. Did you do that? Great. Then you did 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Then you didn't forget about 82. 82 plus 81 is 83. Our answer is 83. Well, friends, we have finished our lesson subtracting with regrouping. Mr. McMahon is going to want you to go into your workbook page, and I want you just to do page 88. There are 4 problems, and you are going to look and see that me how subtracts using the method that we just did. You will have 4 problems to subtract, just like Mr. McMahon has taught you. So I hope my friends have a good math time. Mr. McMahon, I got to hydrate. I've been climbing that math mountain for a while. We're almost to the summit. We're past the tree line. It's getting really windy. I got to put my V-neck sweater on. Till the next time, my friends.